Say hi.
Hi. Hi.
Good morning. It's the 21st of January. It's 8:45. We've all been up for a little while. What did we have for breakfast?
Pancake.
What did you have in your pancakes, Foxy?
Golden syrup.
Golden syrup pan. And Mika.
Chocolate spread.
And then Aria had chocolate spread on hers as well. Kay and Benjamin are just upstairs getting dressed. I am all dressed, but my face is not done. I'm going to go and try and put some contact lenses in a bit because Kay wears contacts and she's very good with them. So I'm going to see if I can get her to help me because my glasses just keep giving me a headache on my nose all the time. Yay. So I'm going to do that and then I'm going to put some makeup on. And then we're going to go to the shop and then we're going to go to Urban Jungle and it's going to be awesome.
Yeah,
so,
Mama, I like the jungle.
Yeah, so we'll take you with us to the jungle.
Hi.
Hi.
Sup?
Sup?
Okay. I like my new backpack.
I give her a backpack because hers broke. Well, hers didn't break.
No.
A juice leaked in it and then ruined it. Yeah. So I give her a backpack. We've been at the toy shops. The kids are all playing with slime.
Open this one.
One there with slime. Wow, that looks like a rainbow.
I got a
Brilliant.
peggy
Do you
toy
love
and
it?
I have the fingers on it.
Okay.
I can't open this one.
I'm just going to walk around
And
with
then-
my backpack. Because I've got a new backpack, so I'm going to walk around with a new backpack on.
And then we went to the garden centre.
What sprinkles would you like?
I
A
want
little bit of everything? Or
Don't know
a
how
little
it
bit
Obviously.
of everything.
Yeah, I'll put them here. And then you can do whatever you like with them then, can't
Trying to undo this.
Yeah.
I need scissors.
you? Or just
Look at
rip into it like a savage beast.
I can even
Oh, look at
put
that.
hold the top.
Yeah,
The blade on there.
I know. Mummy's struggling to work out how.
Yeah, and
Oh, hang on.
it on.
Hang on a minute. We've got some beads flying all over the shop. Woo! We'll try and keep
Can
it.
I make
What's up, darling?
the beads what aren't shiny and the squishy ones?
Oh, is that you worked that out? Well done.
What a time!
Yoko.
Are you going to mix them or are you going to put it in here?
Yeah, do a different pot of slime and then.
Need some help?
Sometimes
Yeah.
mix and sometimes not. What am I doing wrong?
I got a time with a glue.
That's like a double layer thing, isn't it?
Oh,
Yeah.
hang about. Crying out loud. Right, sweetie. So some of them.
Yeah.
Some of them. So these balls are squishy ones.
Gross.
The hard ones. Yeah, I know.
Spazz is back. Let's have a look at. Oh, look at that. That is beautiful. You got a puggy. You got a dinosaur. Benjamin's was beautiful,
It's
and now
now
it's
a big
a
turd.
big turd in a bowl. Do you still love it?
And I have slime.
Yeah, that's all that matters then.
I have slime.
You have gross slime, yeah?
Yeah, it's
Wow.
a gross colour.
I am making us a cocktail. An amaretto sour, but with fizzy water because my lemonade is flat, and some lemon juice. So we shall see how it goes. Yeah. I need another hand to open the Disaronno. I'm just going to put you there. I'm not sure if the lemon juice is going to do the same thing as having lemonade, but we'll see. Oh, it's good. You can't really taste the difference. It's a bucket of cocktail.
pleasant.
It is very pleasant, isn't it?
Sit back and enjoy.
Are you being cute? Sake.
I know.
Go.
Are you being cute? Fuck's sake! Fuck's sake! Fucking kid is just too cute. Girls are in here playing with their slimmy slimes.
Mine's stuck to the table.
Don't make too much noise because Fox is asleep above you. I can't just squeak.
Yeah.
We've just waxed half of one of my legs just because we couldn't be asked to do the rest. Come and do it tomorrow. And one of Kay's armpits. So that video is going to be up very soon. So just brace yourselves because there's pits and tits and...
There's no tits.
There's no tits. There's a side tit.
Charge for that shit.
There's a side tit. What time is it? So it feels late. It's 20 to 9.
Nearly Love Island time.
Yeah. But did we watch last night's?
Not all of it. Oh.
No, we didn't watch any of last night's because we went to bed because we were too tired at 20 past 8.
Yeah.
We need to watch Love Island. That's what we're going to do now, is watch Love Island. Love Island's not on a Saturday night.
Oh yeah, it's best bits, isn't it? So that's good. So we can catch up with last night's then.
Yeah, we're going to watch last night's Love Island.
And then it'll be time for bed.
And then it'll be time for bed. Yeah, we will see you tomorrow.